and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out this foundation from E.L.F Cosmetics, from E.L.F Cosmetics. So this foundation is in the shade Nutmeg. I'm just going to go to their website and see what the foundation is about, what we need to expect, and the result we should get when we apply it on our face. So from their side, this is what we should know about the foundation. Our best-selling liquid foundation now in 40 shades. The lightweight, oil-free formula blends naturally into the skin for a beautiful semi-matte finish that lasts all day long. The liquid formula helps restore uneven skin textures and tones for visibly brighter skin, perfect for all skin types. So basically, this foundation is supposed to be lightweight, oil-free. It will give us a semi-matte finish. Okay, let me unseal it and apply it on my face. So the foundation came with a pump. Am I meant to shake it? Just before I apply the foundation on my face, I'm going to be applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. I did a review on this product on my channel, so I'm going to link it in the description box so you can check it out. And I'm going to be applying the foundation on my face. Taking my damn beauty blender, I'm just going to blend the product into my skin. Wow, this shade perfectly fits into my skin. Like, it's actually my skin, like just like my skin. Like, maybe I didn't use enough, but I don't think this foundation is full face. It's more like a medium coverage. Or is it just me? I'm coming. Let me add more. I'll say this foundation is medium to full coverage. It's not really medium, it's not really full, it's just in the middle. But I like the way it blends perfectly into my skin, and truly it feels it has one particular scent like that, like a fragrance, like soap, all those soap. I don't know how to put it, but it has a nice and not really nice scent. So guys, I just want to just share how I feel about this foundation. So this E.L.F Flawless Finish foundation is actually lightweight. It doesn't feel thick or heavy on the face, and this foundation is actually more on the medium coverage side. It's medium coverage and not full coverage. So if you are someone that likes full coverage, I don't think this foundation is for you. But if you're like me, you're okay with medium coverage and full coverage at the same time, you don't really have any problems with anyone, then you're good to go with this foundation. It is almost matte. Okay, that from the side they actually said semi-matte, so that's true. It's matte and not matte at the same time. I don't know, semi-matte. So this foundation also provides you with natural skin-like feeling. You know, I really like the finish, and and this foundation is actually affordable. So for the price, I think it's a good foundation, and I don't think it's a waste of money. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell button next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.